delicious banana.
They can't stop them. We gotta get that antidote.
We evacuated downtown.
Clear a 10-block radius from Hustle Wacker to Addison.
Trust the Moab.
Roger that.
You are about to drop the largest conventional bomb on the arsenal on U.S. soil. With all due respect, sir, it happened to know the one. You drop that bomb, not only do you wipe out half the city, but you destroy any evidence. See, I got a team on the way to interchange to secure the antidote. So if you could divert some resources and support them.
Is this the same team that stole my medevac shop?
David Sequoia and Dr. Cole.
Need to get the hell out of here.
No, you get out. And I need to get
Yeah,
you
just
carried.
Well, sir, you know us cowboys. We just can't stand leaving our friends behind.
Get your ass out of here.
Fine. In older years, I can agree with. You get out of here, woman. Now. Even if I'm the man, lights on you.
You're right. You didn't need him. I think you know.
Well, I have to get in.
I'll take it.
And I end up just a little spot.